Dear friends, in this video, we will discuss about rental and lease management of construction plant and machinery. This is in continuation of my video, Construction Plant and Machinery Management. Construction plant and machinery management includes equipment rental and lease management. Renting or leasing equipment can provide various benefits, including cost savings, flexibility, access to specialized equipment, and decreased maintenance obligations. Construction projects can benefit from cost savings, flexibility, and access to a wide range of equipment by efficiently managing equipment rental and lease arrangements. Careful examination, documentation, and regular communication with equipment providers all contribute to smooth operations and the reduction of potential concerns or disagreements. Here are some important points about equipment rental and lease management. A. Evaluation of equipment requirements. B. Rent versus lease comparison. C. Rental and lease contracts. D. Equipment acquisition and vendor selection. E. Inspection and documentation of equipment. F. Rental period and usage monitoring. G. Responsibilities for maintenance and repairs. H. Of hire and equipment return process. I. Cost management and optimization. J. Management of equipment provider relationships. Now in brief, we will discuss about crucial principles for rental and lease management. A. Construction equipment evaluation of equipment requirements. Construction equipment evaluation involves assessing and analyzing the equipment requirements for a construction project. It is a crucial step in the project planning phase, where the specific equipment needed for various tasks is determined. This evaluation process helps ensure that the right equipment is selected, ensuring efficiency, productivity, and cost-effectiveness in construction operations. Here are some key aspects of construction equipment evaluation. 1. Project analysis. 2. Equipment identification. 3. Equipment specifications. 4. Equipment performance. 5. Cost analysis. 6. Equipment availability and accessibility. 7. Safety considerations. Overall, construction equipment evaluation involves a thorough assessment of project requirements, equipment specifications, performance, cost, availability, and safety considerations. By conducting a comprehensive evaluation, construction professionals can make informed decisions and select the most suitable equipment for their projects, ultimately leading to successful and efficient construction operations. B. Equipment rent versus lease comparison. When considering construction equipment for a project, construction companies often have the option to rent or lease the equipment instead of purchasing it outright. Both renting and leasing offer advantages and disadvantages, and a careful comparison is necessary to make an informed decision. Here are some key points to consider in the rent versus lease comparison. A. Ownership. B. Duration. C. Cost. D. Flexibility. E. Maintenance and repairs. F. Upgrades and technology. G. Financial considerations. H. Insurance and liability. When comparing the rent versus lease options for construction equipment, it is crucial to evaluate the specific needs of the project, the duration of equipment usage, cost considerations, flexibility requirements, and financial implications. By carefully assessing these factors, construction companies can make an informed decision that aligns with their operational and financial goals. C. Equipment rental and lease contracts. Construction equipment rental and lease contracts are legal agreements between the equipment owner or rental company and the construction company or lessee. These contracts outline the terms and conditions under which the equipment is rented or leased, including the rights, responsibilities, and obligations of both parties. Here are some key points to consider in construction equipment rental and lease contracts. A. Equipment description. B. Rental or lease duration. C. Rental or lease rates. D. Terms and conditions. E. Maintenance and repairs. F. Insurance and liability. G. Equipment return. H. Dispute resolution. I. Termination. J. Governing law. It is important for both parties to carefully review and understand the terms and conditions of the rental or lease contract before signing. If needed, legal counsel or industry professionals can assist in ensuring that the contract adequately protects the rights and interests of both the equipment owner and the construction company. D. Equipment acquisition and vendor selection. Construction equipment acquisition and vendor selection involve the process of procuring the necessary equipment for a construction project and identifying the most suitable vendors or suppliers to fulfill the equipment needs. Here are some key points to consider in the equipment acquisition and vendor selection process. 1. Equipment requirements. 2. Market research. 3. Vendor evaluation. 4. Equipment quality and reliability. 5. Pricing and cost considerations. 6. Vendor support and services. 7. Contract negotiation. 8. Equipment testing and acceptance. 9. Long-term relationship. By following these steps, construction companies can acquire the right equipment from reputable vendors that meet their project requirements in terms of quality, performance, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. E. Inspection and documentation of equipment. Construction equipment inspection and documentation are essential processes for ensuring the safety, functionality, and compliance of equipment used in construction projects. Here are some key points to consider in equipment inspection and documentation. 1. Pre-use inspection. 2. Regular maintenance inspection. 3. Documentation of inspections. 4. Compliance with regulations. 5. Operator training and inspection. 6. Record keeping. 7. Equipment identification and tagging. 8. Digital tools and software. By conducting regular inspections, documenting findings, and maintaining detailed records, construction companies can ensure the safety and compliance of their equipment, track maintenance activities, and enhance equipment performance. This systematic approach helps prevent accidents, extend equipment lifespan, and streamline equipment management processes. F. Rental period and usage monitoring. Monitoring the rental period and usage of construction equipment is important for managing costs, tracking equipment utilization, and ensuring compliance with rental agreements. Here are some key points to consider for rental period and usage monitoring. 1. Rental period agreement. 2. Equipment check-in check-out. 3. Usage tracking. 4. Overtime charges. 5. Fuel consumption monitoring. 6. Maintenance and repair reporting. 7. Equipment return inspections. 8. Communication with rental company. 9. Documentation and record keeping. By closely monitoring the rental period and usage of construction equipment, construction companies can effectively manage costs, ensure optimal utilization, and maintain a transparent and productive relationship with the rental company. G. Equipment responsibilities for maintenance and repairs. In construction projects, responsibilities for maintenance and repairs of equipment can vary depending on the rental or lease agreement, the type of equipment, and the specific circumstances. Here are some key points to consider regarding maintenance and repair responsibilities for construction equipment. 1. Rental agreement terms. 2. Routine maintenance. 3. Operator responsibilities. 4. Reporting procedures. 5. Emergency repairs. 6. Authorized service providers. 7. Equipment damage or breakdown. 8. Rental company responsibilities. 9. Documentation and communication. 10. Insurance coverage. It is crucial to carefully review the rental agreement and establish effective communication channels to ensure that maintenance and repairs are carried out in a timely manner and that responsibilities are clearly understood by both parties. Open and transparent communication between the rental company and the lessee is essential to address maintenance and repair needs promptly and efficiently. H. Equipment of hire and equipment return process. The off-hire and equipment return process in construction equipment rental involves returning rented equipment to the rental company at the end of the rental period or when it is no longer needed. Here are the key steps and considerations in the off-hire and equipment return process. 1. Review rental agreement. 2. Advance notice. 3. Equipment inspection. 4. Cleaning and maintenance. 5. Return logistics. 6. Return documentation. 7. Equipment check-in. 8. Equipment condition verification. 9. Return confirmation. 10. Settlement of accounts. It is important to maintain open and transparent communication with the rental company throughout the off-hire and equipment return process. Following the rental agreement's guidelines, conducting a thorough equipment inspection and adhering to the rental company's procedures will help ensure a smooth and efficient return process. I. Cost management and optimization. Cost management and optimization are crucial aspects of construction equipment management to maximize efficiency, control expenses, and improve overall profitability. Here are some key points to consider for cost management and optimization in construction equipment. 1. Equipment utilization. 2. Equipment planning and scheduling. 3. Right-sizing equipment. 4. Maintenance and repairs. 5. Fuel management. 6. Equipment acquisition strategies. 7. Vendor and supplier management. 8. Training and skills development. 9. Data analysis and technology. 10. Benchmarking and continuous improvement. By implementing effective cost management and optimization strategies, construction companies can improve operational efficiency, control expenses, and enhance overall profitability. Regular monitoring, analysis of key cost drivers, and continuous improvement efforts are essential for long-term success in equipment management. J. Management of equipment provider relationships. Managing relationships with equipment providers is crucial in construction equipment management to ensure reliable access to equipment, obtain favorable terms and conditions, and foster long-term partnerships. Here are some key points to consider for managing equipment provider relationships. 1. Vendor selection. 2. Communication and collaboration. 3. Contract and agreement negotiation. 4. Equipment quality and maintenance. 5. Timely equipment delivery and pickup. 6. Equipment availability and flexibility. 7. Equipment support and service. 8. Performance evaluation and feedback. 9. Long-term partnerships. 10. Continuous vendor assessment. Effective management of equipment provider relationships helps establish a reliable and efficient supply chain for construction equipment. By fostering strong partnerships, communication, and collaboration, construction companies can access high-quality equipment, receive excellent support, and optimize their equipment management processes. Friends, we discuss about construction plant and machinery rental and lease management, and we must admit that if we are not aware of our comprehensive skill set required for construction plant and machinery rental and lease management, we will be unable to make sensible decisions. These sections provide a comprehensive discussion of the essential variables involved in rental and lease management correctly. Each subskill will be covered in detail in the subsequent video. Kindly leave your comment, name, phone number, and email in the comment box. We will communicate via WhatsApp or email. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel Infomechanizer, which is completely free.